Hello, Emily. And a big hello to all our fantastic listeners. It is wonderful to be here with you again.
It is always great to be here. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am doing very well, thank you, Emily. I am feeling well. And you? How are you?
I am great, thanks. I am excited because today is Monday.
Monday? Emily, usually people do not like Mondays. They are tired after the weekend.
That is true, but Monday is special because we can talk about the weekend.
Ah, I see. We can share stories. I like stories.
Yes, and today we have a very useful topic for our listeners. We are going to learn how to answer the question, how was your weekend?
That is a very common question. My coworkers ask me that every Monday morning. Hey, Paul, how was your weekend?
Exactly. It is the best way to start a conversation on Monday. But sometimes it is hard to find the right words in English.
Yes. We need to talk about the past, things that finished yesterday or 2 days ago.
Correct. So today, we will tell you about our weekends, and we will look at the verbs we use, the past tense verbs.
That sounds perfect. I want to tell you about my weekend. It was interesting.
Ooh, I want to hear about it. But wait, before we start our stories, we have a small favor to ask our friends listening.
Yes, please. If you are enjoying our podcast, please subscribe to the Mr. English channel. It helps us so much.
And please give this episode a like, a big thumbs up. It helps other English learners find our videos.
And share it with your friends. Learning English is better with friends.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Paul, are you ready to talk about the past?
I am ready.
So let's start with a simple question. Paul, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy, Emily. I did not stop.
Really? What did you do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I went to the park. The weather was beautiful.
It was very sunny on Saturday. That sounds nice.
It was. I walked for 1 hour. And then I played tennis with my brother.
You played tennis. Wow. You are very active.
I try to be. I like tennis, but I am not very good.
That is okay. It is just for fun. So you walked and you played.
Yes, walked and played.
Listeners, did you hear that sound? Paul said walked and played.
Yes, the sound is at the end of the word.
This is a secret for English verbs. For many verbs, when we talk about the past, we just add ed to the end.
Ah, yes, regular verbs. I remember this from school.
Exactly. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played. It is very easy.
It is easy. Just add ed. What about watch, like watch TV?
Good question. Watch becomes watched.
Watched. Okay, I watched a movie on Saturday night.
See, you are doing it. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy. It was very funny. I laughed a lot.
Laughed. There's another one. Laugh becomes laughed.
This is great. So I walked, I played, I watched, and I laughed.
You had a wonderful Saturday.
I did. It was great. But Emily, what about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I stayed at home mostly.
Stayed. Stay plus ed. I hear it.
Yes, I stayed home. I needed to clean my house.
Oh no, cleaning is boring.
It is a little boring, but I cleaned the kitchen and I washed my clothes.
Cleaned and washed. You were very busy too.
Yes, but after that, I cooked a big dinner for my family.
Cooked. What did you cook?
I cooked pasta with a special tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious. I am hungry now.
It was very good. Everyone liked it.
Liked. Everyone liked it. That is good.
So, Paul, these words are easy. Cleaned, cooked, washed, played. These are the regular verbs.
Yes, they're nice and simple. But, Emily,
Yes, Paul?
sometimes English is not simple.
You are right. Sometimes English is tricky.
Yes, because on Sunday, I did not goed to the beach.
No, please do not say goed. That sounds very funny.
I know, but go is a verb. Why is it not goed?
Because go is a rebel. It is an irregular verb. It does not follow the rules.
A rebel verb. I like that. So what is the past of go?
The past of go is went.
Went. That is a completely different word.
It is W-E-N-T. Went.
So on Sunday, I went to a restaurant.
Went to a restaurant. Perfect. And did you eated good food?
No, not eated.
Correct. Eat is also a rebel. What is the past of eat?
The past of eat is ate.
Ate. Like the number 8.
Yes, I ate a big burger.
Yummy. So you went to a restaurant and you ate a burger.
Yes, and then I saw a friend.
Ah, saw. That is the past of see.
Yes, I did not see Ed. I saw him.
You are a star student, Paul. See becomes saw. Who did you see?
I saw my friend Tom. You know Tom?
Yes, I know Tom. He is funny.
He is. We had a good talk.
Had. That is the past of have.
Yes, have becomes had. We had coffee.
These irregular verbs are very important. We use them all the time.
Yes, go, eat, see, have.
Went, ate, saw, had.
We just need to memorize them, right?
Yes. Just practice them. When you tell a story, try to remember the special word.
Okay, let me try another one. Buy, like I buy food.
Good one. Buy is very common. What is the past?
Is it buy Ed?
No. Try again.
Is it bought?
Yes. Bought. It sounds like bought.
Bought. Okay, I bought a ticket for the cinema.
Perfect. You bought a ticket.
This is fun. It is like a game, regular or irregular.
It is. So, let's look at your Sunday again. You went to a restaurant. Irregular.
Yes,
You ate a burger. Irregular.
yes,
You saw Tom.
yes,
And then, did you go home?
yes. I went home, and I was tired, so I slept.
Slept. That is the past of sleep.
Yes, not sleep, Ed. Slept.
Wow, Paul, your Sunday was full of irregular verbs.
It really was. And your Saturday was full of regular verbs. You cleaned and cooked.
Yes, I like to follow the rules.
That is very funny.
But you know, Paul, there is one more thing.
What is that?
When we ask the question, we use a special helper word.
A helper word?
Yes. Listen to the question. What did you do?
Ah, did. D-I-D.
Yes. Did helps us ask about the past. What did you eat? Where did you go?
Who did you see?
Exactly. We use did plus the normal verb.
Wait, so I say, where did you go, not where did you went?
Yes, you are so smart. When we use did, the verb stays normal.
That is a very good tip. Where did you go? I went to the park.
What did you eat? I ate pizza.
Did you watch a movie? Yes, I watched a movie.
Perfect. You have the full conversation now.
This makes me feel much more confident. I can talk to my boss tomorrow.
Yes. When he asks, "How was your weekend, Paul?" What will you say?
I will say, it was great. I went to the park, I played tennis, and I ate a good burger.
That is a perfect answer. It is clear, it uses the past tense, and it is interesting.
And I can ask him, how was your weekend, boss?
Yes, and then listen for his verbs. Does he say watched or went?
I will listen carefully. It is good practice.
Listening is the best practice.
Emily, I have a funny story from my weekend. I forgot to tell you.
Oh, tell me.
On Saturday, when I played tennis, I fell.
Oh no, you fell? Fell is the past of fall.
Yes, I fell on the grass.
Were you okay?
Yes, I was okay, but my white t-shirt, it became green.
Oh no, green grass stains.
Yes, I looked like a green monster.
That is funny. So, did you clean your t-shirt?
I tried. I washed it. Washed, regular verb.
Yes, good job. And?
It is still a little green.
Well, now you have a garden t-shirt.
Exactly. It is my tennis shirt now.
See, even a small accident is a good story and good English practice.
Yes, I fell. I washed. Stories are everywhere.
They are, and our listeners have stories too.
I am sure they do. Everyone does something on the weekend.
Even if you just relaxed. Relaxed is a regular verb.
Or if you read a book. Read is funny, Emily.
Oh, yes. Tell us about read.
The word looks the same, R-E-A-D, but we say it differently.
Yes. In the present, it is read, like read. In the past, it is red, like the color red.
For instance, I read a book yesterday.
English is crazy sometimes.
It is, but that is why we love it.
Exactly. It is a puzzle.
So, Emily, we talked about regular verbs like cooked and played.
And irregular verbs like went, saw, and ate.
And we talked about using did for questions.
I think our listeners are ready for Monday morning small talk.
I think so too. They can be confident.
Paul, did you have any ice cream this weekend?
Emily, how did you know?
I guessed. You love ice cream.
I do. I bought a chocolate ice cream on Sunday.
Bought. Excellent. Was it good?
It was delicious. Ice cream is always a need, not a want.
I remember that from our money episode.
Yes.
Well, Paul, our time is almost finished.
Oh, that went very fast. Went fast.
It did. I loved hearing about your weekend.
And I liked hearing about your clean house and pasta.
Thank you. It is nice to share.
It is. Friends share stories.
So, listeners, now it is your turn. We want to hear from you.
Yes, we have a question for the comments.
Please tell us, what did you do this weekend?
Did you stay home? Did you go to the park? Did you watch a movie?
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences in the past tense. Use the words we learned today.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. We love reading your stories.
We really do. It makes us very happy.
And please, if you liked this chat, subscribe to the channel.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Maybe you can practice talking about your weekend together.
That is a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Have a wonderful week.
Yes, have a great week. And good luck with your English. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.